How to counter sexual assault, stalking, and surveillance in South Africa. Your safety depends on what you practice daily, not what you fear. From late commutes to online harassment and unwanted attention, this course gives you clear, practical steps that work in South Africa. You'll learn to prevent, detect, and respond in public, at home, and online, plus how to get survivor-centered support. Start with foundations, consent, and empowered bystander actions, plus baseline digital safety. Use your voice to de-escalate, create space to escape, and follow clear steps after an incident. Spot foot, vehicle, and technical surveillance, run SDRs, bury routes, and control your information exposure. Build secure shopping, transport, ATM, and workplace routines, and move with confident body language. Beginner-friendly, South Africa-specific, step-by-step templates you can use this week. Join now, build your personal safety plan, and protect what matters.